Hello and welcome to Make Money Territory, where we explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're diving into the world of NEO, a crypto asset that's been making significant strides in the digital currency market. Recently, NEO has been a top performer, even outdoing the giant that is Bitcoin. Its price movement has been consistently bullish, creating an ascending channel pattern that reflects sustained positive sentiment in the market. One of the key milestones for NEO is surpassing the $24 mark. This benchmark is seen as a critical stepping stone for NEO to gain further upward momentum. So is NEO on the verge of a breakthrough? Could it potentially overtake Bitcoin in this high-stakes crypto race? Stick around as we delve deeper into NEO's potential to overtake Bitcoin in the crypto race. NEO's price movement has been following an ascending channel pattern, a sign of sustained bullish sentiment. This trend reflects the optimistic outlook among investors, and it's this optimism that could be the driving force behind NEO's impressive performance. As NEO approaches the upper boundary of the pitchfork, it's expected to face potential resistance. It's a crucial point that could determine the direction of NEO's price movement. Now it's worth noting that NEO faced an initial dip to $14.70. But what happened next is what makes NEO's story so interesting. It rebounded. And not just by a small margin. This rebound emphasizes the importance of surpassing the $24 mark for further upward momentum. Now let's talk about predictions. CoinGabar, a reputable crypto analysis platform, suggests that NEO could witness a potential increase of 31.50% if it maintains levels above $22. That's quite a significant increase, isn't it? It's these kinds of movements that have allowed NEO to outperform Bitcoin, one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies in the world. But what could happen if NEO manages to breach and close above the channel line? Well, that's where things get even more exciting. A successful closure above the channel line could trigger a rally towards $30 resistance and maybe even $50 upon breakout. Imagine the possibilities if NEO were to reach that level. However, it's essential to remember that these are predictions. And as with all financial investments, they come with risks. It's also important to note that key levels to watch are resistance at $25 to $30 and support at $20 to $16. These levels could be the turning points for NEO's price movement. So whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on these trends and predictions. But always remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay ahead. But as with all investments, there are risks and challenges that come with the potential rewards. Investing in cryptocurrencies like NEO is no different. One of the biggest challenges investors face is breaching and closing above the channel line. This is a critical point in the NEO's price movement, as it can trigger a rally towards $30 resistance and even $50 upon breakout. However, this is easier said than done. Successfully closing above the channel line requires a strong bullish sentiment and sustained upward momentum. Any signs of weakness or a shift in market sentiment could result in a failed breakout, and a failed breakout could have serious consequences. According to CoinGabar's price prediction, if a breakout fails, NEO's price could take a dip towards the lower channel support around $15. That's a significant decrease from its current levels. And it could mean a substantial loss for investors who bought in at higher prices. But it's not all doom and gloom. Even if the price does drop, it's not necessarily the end of the road for NEO. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, and price swings are part and parcel of the game. In fact, these dips can sometimes present buying opportunities for savvy investors who know how to play the market. However, playing the market is not without its risks. It requires a deep understanding of the market dynamics, careful analysis of price movements, and the ability to act quickly in response to changing conditions. And even then, there's no guarantee of success. That's why it's so important to keep a close eye on key levels of resistance and support. In the case of NEO, the key levels to watch are resistance at $25 to $30 and support at $20 to $16. These levels can provide important clues about the future direction of NEO's price and can help investors make more informed decisions. Key levels to watch are resistance at $25, $30 and support at $20, $16. In this high-stakes territory, research and risk awareness are crucial. It's like venturing into a jungle. The more you know about the terrain, the wildlife, the potential dangers, and the survival techniques, the better you're equipped to navigate through it. And investing in cryptocurrencies like NEO or Bitcoin is no different. In this wild crypto jungle, your research is your compass, your map, your survival guide. It helps you understand the landscape, the trends, the potential pitfalls, and the opportunities that lie ahead. It's your research that can help you make informed decisions, whether it's about investing in NEO, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency. Understanding the risks associated with financial investments is equally important. It's no secret that the crypto market is volatile. Prices can skyrocket one minute and plummet the next. Without a solid understanding of the risks, you could find yourself lost in this jungle without a compass. That's why it's important to remember that CoinGabar's guidance is for informational purposes only. It's a tool to aid your research, not a substitute for it. It's a flashlight that can help illuminate the path, but it's your responsibility to decide which path to take. It's your research, your understanding of the risks, that will guide you through this jungle. So what's the takeaway here? In the high-stakes world of cryptocurrencies, knowledge is power. Your research, your understanding of the risks is your power. It's what equips you to navigate through this jungle, to make informed decisions, to potentially reap the rewards. So, can NEO overtake Bitcoin in the race? Only time and careful analysis will tell. As we wrap up our exploration of NEO's potential, it's clear that the crypto world is full of opportunities and challenges. NEO has shown significant gains and has outperformed Bitcoin, demonstrating sustained bullish sentiment. Its price movement aligns with an ascending channel pattern, suggesting a potential upward momentum. However, the path is not without resistance. Key levels to watch are resistance at $25 to $30 and support at $20 to $16. Challenges lie in breaching and closing above the channel line, a successful closure of which could trigger a rally towards the $30 resistance, even possibly reaching $50 upon breakout. However, a failed breakout could drive NEO's price towards the lower channel support around $15. It's important to note that these are predictions and the crypto market is highly volatile. Conducting thorough research and being aware of the risks associated with financial investments is crucial. Remember, the crypto world is as much about knowledge as it is about luck. Thank you for joining us in the Make Money territory. Stay tuned for more insights into the thrilling world of cryptocurrencies.